excited to see I'm not the only white trash here. I buy the Hot Pockets. I go in grocery stores and I'm like, yeah, I get these. I've never eaten a Hot Pocket and then afterwards been, I'm glad I ate that. And I was like, I'm gonna die. I paid for that? Did I eat it or rub it on my face? My back hurts. Oh. I was looking at a box of Hot Pockets. They have a warning printed on the side. So, warning, you just bought Hot Pockets. Or if you're drunk or heading home to a trailer, you hillbilly enjoy the next NASCAR event. Hot Pockets.
Man. That is funny.
I like NASCAR. He's a jerk. You really see that on a menu when you go out to dinner.
Oh my god.